Hey, what's going on, guys? That's Claw 69 here. We got another review, something a little bit different. So we got the Nike SB Blazer Court. They're the, I don't know how to say his name too well, Daan Linden. Pretty sick pair. Let's get to what they look like inside the box. All right, right off the bat, just a nice turquoise SB box. Comes with the paper, the shoe itself. Quick little view. And the other shoe. Focus. And that's pretty much it for the box. I picked these up on the Instagram shopping feature. I saw them and I was like, these are pretty sick. Nike SB came up and retailed for 75 bucks. I paid the 75 bucks cheap. They got me cheaper than regular Blazers, I think. But what really got my eye was the swoosh logo. And I don't really know skating, so I'm guessing this is a skater from what I read. His name's right here. Daan Linden, Nike SB. The biggest, thing that caught my eye was the colorway, the yellow, and then of course the fish hook with the lure and the fishing line. I guess that's what the skater's into, or where he's from. I think he's Swedish. I'm not sure. But you got the brown canvas. Got some rubber right here, I guess for the skateboard, so it won't fuck up your shoe. Got a fish on the back, a salmon, a bass, no idea. Somebody correct me in the comments, all you fishermen. The tongue, regular canvas, Blazer, Court, Nike SB. Fish hook on the other side. Saw the back. Pretty simple shoe. Pretty nice though. Skatey type, dressy maybe. On the other side, it's gonna be the same thing. Yep. The rubber laces. It only came with that one pair of laces, the brown ones. I don't know what other color. I guess maybe yellow or green you could put on here. Same thing on the inside, I think. Yeah. Fish. That's pretty much it. I guess I can compare them to the other Blazers that I have for you. This is gonna be my fourth pair of Blazers. My second pair of lows. I have two other high tops. I have the Ray Guns and then the black and white ones. But just a quick comparison. They look about the same. They don't have the toe box or whatever the thing on the toe is. The toenail. I'm gonna call it the toenail. The thickness. The original Blazers are a little bit thicker on the sole, about 1/8 of an inch. A little bit different on the back, the Nike. Tongue obviously doesn't have that foam or whatever this is called tongue. It has just a regular canvas tongue. You don't have padding on here. The soles feel the same. And I guess this one has this rubber thing instead of the Blazer having this little triangle type thing on there. That's pretty much it for the comparison. Let's get to what they look like on feet. All right, this is what they look like on feet. Overall, pretty good, pretty comfortable. Feels like Vans, like a pair of Vans. I'd say the original Blazers are a little bit more comfortable. I went true to size. They fit real good, true to size. Maybe a little bit of a gap because they don't have the padding. But overall, they fit pretty well. 9.5. Could wear these with anything. Chinos, skinny jeans, skating, dressy. They kind of look like a dress shoe. Wear them with shorts, pants. The yellow accents, I think that's some of my favorite. The yellow accent and then the fish hook. And the little yellow hole, lace hole, the back. But overall, pretty happy with these, pretty comfortable. pretty good. Let me know what y'all think about them. Cop or not. I think they came out in olive green color too. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this review. Pretty short. I mean, not a lot of crazy details on it. Fish hook, yellow lace hole, skater's name on the back with the fish on the insole. You know, all canvas, rubber. I guess padding or for the skateboard. Pretty much it. Let me know what y'all think about them in the comments down below. We're almost there to 100 subscribers. Please like and subscribe. Almost there, guys. Almost there. We're making it. Oh, wow. I guess I missed this. The sole is made out of like that, this is trash. That plastic composting compressed sole. I don't know if y'all can tell. Squeeze that into the outro. Can you see it? Looks like shit. Well, it looks dirty, but it's white, black, and gray little pieces of rubber. Pretty cool. But yeah, like and subscribe. See y'all next time.